In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly create a budget planner in Canva so you can manage your finances with ease. Start by heading to Canva's homepage and typing budget planner into the search bar. You will see a wide range of ready-made templates. Take a moment to browse and pick one that fits your style. Remember, every template is fully customizable. Once you find one you like, click Customize this template and Canva's editor will open. Here's where the fun begins. You can change the text to fit your income, expenses, and savings. Adjust fonts and colors or even add graphics to make it truly your own. If you're in a rush, you can keep the design as is and move straight to saving. When you're happy with your planner, go to the Share button in the top right and select Download. Choose PDF if you plan to print or an image file if you just want it saved digitally. Click Download again and your budget planner is ready to use. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you have created a personalized budget planner that makes managing money simple and stylish.